Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to create a series on Facebook Creator Studio using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Facebook, as well as a like page and some content that we will be using within the series. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari. In this case, click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to Facebook Creator Studio using a shortcut within the Bookmarks tab. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to Content. Once that is loaded, we can see that we have a lot of content uploaded to Facebook Creator Studio. Let's now go to Series. Click on this. Click on the plus sign to create a brand new series. As this is for only test purposes, let's write the title. Call that Test Series. Describe what's in the series. Let's just say this is a test. Unordered, we can drag and drop to upload or choose a file on your device as part of the poster art or a cover image. That will all be done for later. Let's now save as draft. Now let's go within that test series. Click on that. Add some episodes from your videos. Let's click on that video, how to code a navigation menu. Let's now add an episode again. Click on a second video. Let's now publish that series to the account. And there we go. We have created a series within Facebook Creator Studio. Added a couple of videos. Let's now go to Home. Go to the Facebook like page. And here we have Computer Science Videos posted an episode of test series. If I was to click in this, we can see that we have the latest episodes on screen for us to view as part of the audience. So we can now go to Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now. Or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.